Okay, so I think we're live now. We will just log in this trade idea. Just want to make sure we're recording all good. Yeah, cool, sweet. Okay, so I've got this this trade idea. I've been just looking at some people's videos, some decent traders that are out there, and just seeing where they lie with some zoomed out big pictures, and come across this trade idea that this guy was sharing, and I had a little look myself, and god damn it, man, look, when I show you this this setup, it's quite crazy. So it's basically the US dollar versus Hong Kong dollar. Okay, and there's apparently some sort of peg, and we are at the top of this peg now. So if we look at this, let's just jump on the monthly here. So when we look at this bottom left hand chart here, I'll just open this up a bit bigger. You can see, you know, there's this last time where it come up here, and this was back in 2018. So back in 2018, the dollar was topping out with strength, and then had a double top right at that peg, and then fell back down to the lower end of the range, which is around 774. Now bear in mind, this isn't a crypto setup, this is Forex, so you know, we're talking a lot of pips. So the top of the range to the bottom, I haven't got the pip measurement on there, but needless to say, top of the range now, so top of the peg. Now we started to move up from the bottom of this peg. Look at this, March 2nd, so we hit the bottom of this range, we held out, obviously we, you know, the stuff was going on, COVID, and since then we've moved to the top of this range. Now look at these initial moves. Okay, now this move up to what, spike up to $8.70. I don't know, this guy was saying $13. Okay, so this has been pegged, as you can see, moving all the way up here, and then pegged at this point in this range. So zooming right into the monthly, the peak is $7.8508. Again, if you see on the right hand side, look at it. Okay, cool. So with that being said, let's pull this chart down, zoom in a bit, then you will see we've got this kind of rising triangle. Now my man was saying the stop loss underneath the second low, yeah, cool, can have it under the first low, but when we look at the 4-hour price action, you can see what's happening. It's the Hong Kong, if you know what's going on in China at the moment, then you can see why I'm talking about this. Boom, moved down. Okay, that was 2nd of June. Okay, cool. Moved back up to the peg, moving down. You know, there's almost warfare going on here. Now, I'm not talking about the Ukraine-Russia thing. I'm talking about underneath the radar, what's really going on with things. We don't know. It's all behind closed doors. It's all behind the veil. So, you know, the weaponization of the dollar, this is what we're seeing right here. I just wish I would have caught it at the bottom of that range, but this is what we're doing now. We're moving across the markets, all the different markets, and we want to find these trades, man, that are gonna pay. So this peg fails. This is low risk trade. My mum was saying the target $13. No idea why $13, but hey man, he's a good trader. And when I got this price set at $13 profit level, oh, I can't see the risk reward on this one. Let's try with this. So $13. Stop loss below the second low here. 1100 to 1. Okay, cool. Let's do some calculations. You risk £100. In fact, let's just do £10. Okay, you're going to get 11,000 if you risk £10. Okay, I've just funded a separate account, and there's probably about £100 on that trade. So that's 110k. And if that comes off, then that's nice. So I'm going to take a couple of shots at this. I'm going to keep it underneath here. If it comes down below, then you're just going to get stop out. It's just one of them. So yeah, that's the trade. And who is it? Francis Hunt, basically the market sniper. So I was just watching one of his videos yesterday. It was talking about the Hong Kong dollar, and you know, we continue to see the dollar do its thing. Then we could see this peg fail. Okay, cool. Cheers.